Welcome to my channel. Wavlink Wi-Fi plug router AC1200 setup. Step 1. Plug in the router. Plug your Wavlink AC1200 into a power outlet near your modem or desired location. Step 2. Connect to the router. Use a computer, smartphone, or tablet to connect to the Wavlink Wi-Fi network. The default SSID Wi-Fi name should be something like Wavlink XXXX. Check the router label. If prompted for a password, check the router label or manual. Step 3. Access the router's web interface. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. Type AP, setup or 192.168.1 inch in the address bar and press enter. Log in using the default credentials: username, admin, password, admin. Step 4. Configure the router. Select Setup Wizard and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose Wi-Fi repeater mode or router mode, depending on how you want to use it. If extending your Wi-Fi, select your existing Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Step 5. Customize the SSID, Wi-Fi name, and Wi-Fi password if needed. Click Apply or Save to confirm settings. Thanks for watching.